Welcome to this channel. Today we are going to integrate x all over x plus 1 with respect to x. So this is a rational function. So we are going to divide x by x plus 1, and we use the long divisional polynomial to do this. So let's first of all do the long division. Here we have x, and here we have x plus 1. We can even put 0 here. We now say x divided by x is 1. 1 times x is x. 1 times 1 is 1. We now subtract x minus x is 0. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Therefore, x all over x plus 1 equals 1 minus 1 all over x plus 1. The minus 1 here is this one, the remainder. Here is the quotient, and here is the divisor. So we now say therefore x all over x plus 1 dx is equal to the integral of 1 minus x plus 1 dx. Now we simply integrate 1. If we integrate 1 with respect to x, we get x. And if we integrate 1 all over x plus 1, we get ln x plus 1. Then we simply put the constant of integration c. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel.